Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tag YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use quick transfer option on your Yono SBI, Yono SBI. So it has been features and it has been launched by the SBI to Yono application. So if you didn't got the application uh, quick transaction or quick pay option, then if you didn't got this, what you have to do, you have to go to Play Store and then make sure to update the Yono application from here. So guys, after updating the application, what you have to do here, it's very pretty simple. I'm gonna show you how you can use the feature, that is quick pay features of Yono SBI. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So guys, what you need to do here, let me just get inside the Yono SBI application, and then guys, you can see here you will receive the first the option, that is quick pay option. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use these features that has been updated from Yono SBI. So let's get started. So guys, here the quick pay, you can see find out more. So if you click on find out more, then you will find a quick video for this, but I'm going to show you step by step how you can use quick pay here. So let us click to this quick pay option here, and then here you can see they are asking for MPIN. So you use the NPIN while login, so you have to enter the NPIN here also, MPIN. And then here they have given a message, you can see here you can set up a OTP daily limit by login, service request, OTP managed transaction below, OTP limit will be authorized without OTP. So here you can see you can read it out, that you can set up an OTP daily limit by login, service request, or settings, on settings and OTP management. So now let us get inside this. So guys, here after this you will find this type of interface. This is the Yono quick pay page. This type of interface will be pop up. So here you can see there is four different option that you can use on quick pay service. So first is contact. So let me just explain you what is actually contact means. So simply click on contact, and here you can see pay to contact option. Here you can see an amount of and remarks. So pay to contact means like you can pay through phone number, like Google Pay and Phone Pay, like how you can pay amount on Google Pay and Phone Pay. So if you want to pay on phone number, you have to simply enter your phone number here, enter your friends, families, or anyone's phone number here. You have to enter the amount, and you can add the remark also, and it's up to you. So just you have to click on pay, and then it will be paying phone number. But remember that the phone number should be registered to Yono SBI application. And the second thing is VPA. This is UPI systems. You can send through UPI from this also. Let me just show you. So guys, here what you have to do, you have to enter the UPI amount, and if you wanna add remarks, you can remarks, and just click on pay option, you can pay in this way. And scan option, you can see here scan, you can scan to any UPI. Scan you will find in Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, or anywhere you can pay from this. And for this beneficiary, this is to send the money from your account to account transfer. So let me just click here, you can see your pay beneficiary amount. So here in the pay beneficiary, here you have to enter the phone number, you have to enter the phone your account number, and this is beneficiary that you had been sent before. So if I click here, you can see I have sent to this account, and if you want to go for new, just click here, and then here you can see other bank. You have to enter the receipt name, account number, re-enter account number, IFSC code, and then you can send it. And if you want to send to SBI, you have to click on SBI. You have both the options here. So let me just off this, and if you want to repeat the transaction, you can just go for the history option. Just go back, and then here you can see, let me just go back, here you can see transaction option. If you click to this transaction option, here you will find last 10 days quick pay transaction. So I have not yet transaction from this option. So let me just go back, And then here on the last, Yono home, so simply click on this Yono home option and this type of interface will be pop up. So here you can see Yono pay option. Simply tap on this Yono pay option, and then here you can see if you want to set up your Beam UPI, then simply click on this Beam UPI option. If you don't have the UPI pin should be managed from your phone number. So it is very pretty simple that you can create a UPI pin from your phone number. So you can check it out in YouTube. I have made a video for this, so how to make a UPI pin on your phone. So I hope this video will absolutely helpful for you and informative for you that quick pay is what about. So thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.